Hello and Happy New Year. I hope you all had a fantastic holiday season and your 2026 is off to a great start as well. This is Matt DeYoung from VDS reviewing the final Genesis release highlights for 2025, here covering the key items from December. Genesis had a total of 50 releases in December, and while they're spread across four different release dates, 2 dates really received the majority of those releases, the 8th and the 15th. And many of the releases were really tied to like updates or support for certain languages or regions. So again, we narrowed these down to some key ones we want to make you aware of. But as always, all notes are available in the Resource Center. For the release highlights that apply to everyone, first one I want to make you aware of is that Genesis announced that the beginning the week of January 12th, they'll be rolling out a new deployment schedule for releases. So now beginning the week of the 12th, if I go ahead and navigate over to the Resource Center and the release schedule here, Genesis will be releasing the announcements for those releases on Tuesdays going forward. And if we expand the January 12 expansion piece here, scroll down, we can see that moving forward, anybody that is in the US East or their Genesys Cloud org is in US East, I should say, you will now receive those updates on Thursdays. And for those within US West or even FedRAMP, you'll receive the updates on Fridays. So just something that we wanted to make you aware of going forward here in 2026, just a slight shift in how you'll receive the release updates going forward. Next one, kind of a neat one here, the agent greetings for ACD voice. So with this release, agents can record a short greeting to be played by default for all ACD calls. The greeting would play at the beginning of the call as soon as the connection is made, and then it plays for both the agent and the customer as well. Agents can record or upload a greeting up to 15 seconds long, and they can do this directly within the agent settings page in the Genesys Cloud desktop or even web app as well. Additionally, administrators can create greetings as user prompts in Architect and then assign those greetings to one or more agents through the Genesys Cloud public API. So potentially a helpful one there for agents and for some organizations. Next, a few of the releases from December 15th. First one, the ability to control agent transfer capabilities via permissions. So this release just allows admins to manage agents' abilities to transfer interactions utilizing permissions. Really, it's just an enhancement that gives you more granularity and control over which transfer methods agents are able to use, and then the destinations that they're allowed to transfer those calls to as well. So potentially a helpful one there. And then finally, the export summary row chart in analytics performance views. So just a little update to reporting. The release allows users to include the summary row chart when exporting select analytic performance views to PDF. The enhancement just adds an export option that embeds the summary row directly into the exported file and just helps ensure users can capture high-level metrics alongside the detailed performance data. Ultimately, the update just helps present a complete analytics information and reports and just supports a clearer, more efficient data sharing across teams as well. And then finally here, the latest AI updates from Genesys. These couple really specific to Agent Copilot. First one, the custom prompts in advanced summary configurations. So with this release, organizations can now create custom prompts in advanced summary configurations within Agent Copilot. And the feature really just allows teams to define custom text to guide how Agent Copilot summarizes interactions between the agents and the customers. Really, the goal of this update here is to tailor the prompt specific to business needs, and allows administrators to just ensure that there's more clarity, structure, and relevance in those automated summaries. So definitely a helpful one there. And then lastly, this is kind of a neat one too, especially if you're an organization that has multilingual agents and may handle multiple different calls in different languages. It's a multi-language agent copilot. So really this release allows organizations to create multi-language Agent Copilot, and can support up to 10 different languages. So the enhancement just allows a single copilot to assist queues where the agents handle or may handle multiple languages and reduces the need to create separate agent copilots for each language. Additionally, it also helps agents with multiple language assignments to use the same copilot within a shared queue. Previously, the Agent Copilot supported only one language at a time and required configuration at the queue level. So you had to essentially create multiple different queues, multiple different copilots if you had agents that needed to handle more than one language. So the new multi-language capability just removes that limitation and allows admins to define a single copilot with multiple supported languages. So definitely a great one there. So with that, we will wrap up our overview of Genesys release highlights for December. Again, any of the other releases we didn't cover can be reviewed in the Resource Center. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, thanks so much for your partnership. Thanks for watching, and hope you all have a fantastic 2026. Thanks.